Yeah. I was finna write a song, but I've been hella stressed. But I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm...
Hey everyone, it is your girl Jaeshun, also known as Naturally Hair For You, back with another video. Welcome back to my channel if you are a part of the family. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you're here to stay. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit that bell so that way you can be notified whenever I drop a video. Most importantly, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you feel like something resonated with you in this video, please be sure to drop down something in the comment box so we can chat. We're just gonna jump into this. We got some brand new we got some brand new product, okay? Today's video, as you saw in the title, it is going to be on the lip bars, just a tint. Yes. It is their new SPF 3-in-1 tinted skin conditioner. It is vegan, first and foremost. It is vegan. If you are someone where those kind of things matter to you. In this skin conditioner, it is basically on the box. I'm just gonna read what it says. Sun protector, complexion perfector, skin moisturizer. The perfect marriage of skincare and a flawless complexion. Our 3-in-1 tinted skin conditioner keeps your skin healthy and glowing with rose water, cucumber extract, Irish sea moss extract, and hyaluronic acid for serious moisture, and SPF 11 to help protect against sunburn. This formula is oil-free and provides a natural, radiant, and sheer buildable coverage. So first and foremost, they're already telling you it's not gonna be full coverage. It's not supposed to be full coverage. It's basically just supposed to be like a good sunscreen, but with a tint. Tinted moisturizer. If you know me, I love a good tinted moisturizer. I recently got into foundation, but these tinted moisturizers seem to be making a play back in the game, and I'm here for it, okay? Let's start off with the shade that I picked up. I picked up the shade Honey Dip. Girl, when I tell you I had the hardest time trying to figure out what shade I am, just because my hand, it doesn't really match what my skin is. And you know, a lot of people say, oh, just match your hand and that'll be it, or your neck, or I don't know. Those kind of things really don't work for me, so it made it extremely hard for me to figure it out while I was in the store. I will also go ahead and link in the, well, not link, put in the video of what the stand and everything was looking like in Target. Cause girl, when I say they had like bought out basically all of her stuff already, and this literally came out I think just a few days ago. So luckily I was able to get my hands on it, but between the colors that I was choosing, they only had maybe 2 or 1 left. And I was like, I didn't want to leave without picking it up because, you know, I was like, oh, let me just go home and like see which shade I am. And because I was trying to do it in the store, my service was sucking. It was just a whole lot, okay girl, but we got it, okay? Just keep in mind, I am new to the lip bar. This is my second piece of product from them. The first product is a lippy that I have from them, which is this one. This is the Boss Lady when they came out with that, and this is my first face product from them. So this is gonna be legit like a first time trying her brand, product, face stuff, like all of that. Some more info on the shades with this product. I went on the website, you can find all this information there, but I thought I'd go ahead and give it to you since, you know, we're here. This is what we're doing. Basically, this 3-in-1 tinted skin conditioner, it comes in 8 shades. Comes in Cocoa Bean, Chocolate Chip, Mahogany Mommy, Almond Joy, Honey Dip, me, Caramel Delight, Beige Bombshell, and My Fair Lady. There is also a complexion quiz that you can do on the site. I did go ahead and do that really quickly while I was there. Basically, I ended up choosing that I was in the cinnamon family, which is, she does her ranges from 1 to 6. So 1 will be the lightest and 6 will end up being the darkest shade. So me, I'm a 4. So I'm right in between that. And to break it down a little bit more, Cocoa Bean is from 6'1" to 6'4". Chocolate Chip is from 5'3" to 5'5". Mahogany Mommy is 5'1" to 5'2". Almond Joy was 4'3" to 4'6". Honey Dip is 4'1" to 4'2". And Caramel Delight is 301 to 303. And then Beige Bombshell 201 to 204. And My Fair Lady is 101 to 104. As you can tell, that's why I had a hard time trying to figure out, like, girl, which one am I? So I was so confused by Almond Joy, Honey Dip, and Mahogany Mommy. I picked up Mahogany Mommy first, and I was like, wait, that's not me. Then I picked up Almond Joy, and I started looking at Honey Dip, and I was like, I don't know which one to get. But I was like, I asked the lady at Target. I don't know if I mentioned that. I got it from Target, y'all. I asked the lady at Target, like, what's your return policy with makeup? And she was like, oh, you can just return it. So I'm like, well, I hope this is my shade, because I hate returning things. I don't like returning stuff. But, you know, with COVID and stuff, you kind of just have to return stuff at this point. As you saw in the slide, in the video, it was $17.99, so $18 and some tax, and that's what I paid for. So now that I've done all my rambling, we're just gonna jump in and finally put this stuff on my face. I am going to go in and prime my face with the Fenty Soft Matte, my favorite primer of all time. So we're going to use that. And as you can see, I already did my eyebrows off of camera. Also, if you're new to my channel, I don't really put too much makeup around my nose area because I did recently get my nose pierced. So just keep that in mind. You know, if you're watching, you're like, oh, she didn't put none on her nose. That is why. Also, if you would like to know about my eyebrows, I will go ahead and link that video up above for you, so that way you can see what products I use. Also, don't mind my finger. I'm about to go get my nails done. So that's also what I'm going to be doing, is doing a wear test with you all. Just showing you what it looks like after wearing it for a few hours. But I will say, I did notice on here, on the box, it said to, okay, so for the directions, it says apply liberally for 15 minutes before sun exposure and reapply at least every 2 hours. That part, I don't really get. Why would I have to reapply it after 2 hours? I guess we will find out, but I thought that was pretty odd. Yeah, I just thought it was odd. This is what it looks like. Nothing too extra. Real clean, cute, sleek. I'm not sure if that's the actual product or if that's like a picture of the product. I guess we'll see once I am using this bad boy up. Okay. It just twists off like this. This is what the nozzle looks like. I'm just gonna go ahead and go like this. Wow, guys. I think I chose a good color. Also, I saw on some of their videos that people were just using their hands. I'm not a fan, so I'm not gonna do that. I think I'm just going to use a brush and kind of just like massage it in like that. What do you guys think? I think I might have put too much. They say it was buildable, and here I go putting all this product on. So far, it feels good. I feel like it looks super moisturizing, and your girl has oily skin to a certain extent, so I don't think I need it anymore. What do you guys think? I think it looks really good compared to my chest area. And of course, you know, this is just a tinted moisturizer, so if I wanted to build on it, I could, you know, to like cover that up and stuff, but I think it looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face. I'm gonna just do some concealer and stuff. Just a little light something. And I will come back to you guys when my face is done. Okay guys, so this is what my makeup is looking like as of now. The product does say reapply after every 2 hours. So I'm gonna show you guys what I look like in 2 hours, maybe 8 hours. I think I'm just gonna do the 2 hours though, because I feel like that's when they said to reapply, and I feel like that's when it would, I guess, start doing some other stuff. So I'll come back to you guys after 2 hours and show you guys what the makeup is doing, okay? The 3-in-1 tinted skin conditioner. I will come back and tell you and show you guys how I felt about this conditioner. Later. Okay guys, I am back. Got my nails did. You guys like them? I like them. They're super cute. So yes, went and got my nails done. I even had okay, start over. I went and got my nails done. It is currently now 4:39 and I left out of here at 2. So it's been 2 hours and 40 minutes since I've had this makeup on. I even had a mask on the entire time at the nail salon. As you guys can see, I am a little oily here and just a little bit in here. But other than that, and like right here, which are my normal oily spots, T-zone spots or whatever, I think I still look pretty darn good. I think if I was just to blot it, like, I'd be okay, or like put a little bit more like powder on, but it doesn't feel like I have on anything heavy, so I can appreciate that. I mean, it definitely is, you know, a tinted moisturizer. It's not supposed to feel heavy. It's not a foundation. So what do I think of it? I think I would have to give it a couple more tries. Definitely trying it out in the sun to see how that goes, because today it was extremely cloudy. The sun tried to poke out, but she didn't make an appearance. I would definitely try it out again, but as this being my first impression and my first time, I definitely would purchase it. 18 bucks, I think it's a bit steep in my personal opinion. Yeah, I just think it's a bit steep compared to other ones that I've used that do basically just as well as this did. I will say though, this complexion, the shade is perfect. Not something that I'm going to use every day, so I think I will have that tube for quite some time. All in all, I think it was a great experience. I would definitely recommend you guys trying it out. Let me know how you think it works on you, especially maybe like a dry skin kind of person. I wonder how it would work for them. All in all, I give it 2 thumbs up. I totally recommend. If we want to go 1 out of 10, I'll give it an 8 out of 10. The other 2 is just based on price. For my own preference. Do not come for me in them comments now. That is my preference. If you guys have any questions, please be sure to leave them down in the comment box. Let me know what you thought about it. How do you think it blended with my skin? What does it look like after a couple hours later? Let's chat. You know, I like to have conversation. So be sure to do that. Most importantly, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit that bell so that way you are notified whenever I have a video dropping. Later.